Building apps with Lightning App Builder. In this section, we are going to take a look at exploring the Lightning App Builder, then using the classic app in Lightning Experience, Lightning Console app. We will have what is the standard console app given and how to create a custom console app, as well as sales path, and we are also going to create a custom path. Then enhancements to our health awareness program app. Let's explore the Lightning App Builder in this video. In this video, we are going to take a look at introduction to Lightning App Builder. What is this Lightning App Builder? Then what are there in the Lightning App Builder? As well as we will see the standard components that can be used in the Lightning App Builder. Let's launch the Lightning App Builder. In the quick find box, let me type App Builder. So under the user interfaces section, I have Lightning App Builder. The Lightning App Builder provides an easy to use graphical interface for creating custom Lightning pages for Salesforce Lightning Experience and mobile app, that is Salesforce 1. Lightning pages are built using Lightning components, which are compact, configurable and reusable elements that we can drag and drop into regions of the page in the Lightning App Builder. I want to create a new Lightning page. Let me click on New. It's asking the template what you want to create, app page or home page or a record page. Home page to provide user specific experience. So home page is given. So this is the home page for this user. Like that, if I want to create a home page for any specific profile, means any specific users, I am going to create custom home page and going to assign to them. Record page. This is nothing but record detail page in Lightning Experience. If I navigate to any record, so this is opportunity record detail page. In this page, I have various components: highlights panel component, path component, etc., etc. So if I want to have a specific record detail page for any specific profile or specific users, I am going to develop a custom record page. Then app page. App page is nothing but single page app. That's one page app for Lightning Experience as well as Salesforce 1 mobile app. Like this, I'm going to create. So the header where I find this is Lightning App Builder and the recent pages we have developed. Then the page label, custom home. So in the toolbar, I have undo, redo, cut, copy, then desktop view, right? Refresh, save, activate. So after developing a custom page, we need to activate so that the users will get access to that. So these are the standard components, 22 components available for home page. This is the canvas, how the end user is going to get the page. To add the components, just drag, drop. Drag the dashboard, put somewhere. Drag the flow, put somewhere. For example, right? List view, put, drag and drop somewhere. List view. Okay. So after dragging and dropping the list view, at the right side, I do have properties panel. So in this, I am going to set or define the properties. For example, I want to the list view of volunteers here. Let me search for volunteer objects, list view. Again, I do have various list views over there. Which list view has to be there? All volunteers view or another list view, another list view. So this is properties panel. So we have got header, toolbar, components panel, canvas importantly, where we drag and drop the components, then properties panel. Let's explore these standard components. So for home Lightning page, these are the standard components available. Like that. For a record page, for example, let me take a record page, search for my object, then choose the page template, and very importantly, I have to tell you, clone Salesforce default page. For home page also, I strongly recommend clone the existing home page, clone the existing Lightning page, so that you will get whatever are there, and accordingly you can customize the way you want. So you can go either way. So here I have standard 22 components. Let's explore one by one. So accordion means expandable, collapsible items. The activities like task, email, etc. A flow. In the next section, we are going to discuss more about a flow, a series of screen, right? Then guided actions list, highlights panel. At the top, whatever you see, highlights panel. List view of any object. The path, an important and very useful, cool feature by Salesforce. The path component, where you can define the stages for that record. Quick. So if you have Quip account, you can see all the Quip inside the Salesforce. Recent items, recommendations. This is Einstein. The record detail, the detail of whatever the record layout, the record detail page layout. So to show that this is the component. Related list single, related list quick links, related lists multiple, related record of the existing object. So related record to this object, then report chart, rich text component, tabs. So these are the tabs, related tab details, like that. If I want to have the tabs, this is the tabs component I'm going to use. The topics, the trending topics of this account or any record. Visual Force page. So whatever the custom Visual Force pages you have developed using the Visual Force markup, so you can bring and use here, as well as the analytics wave dashboard. These are the standard components provided by Salesforce.com.